Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, we're going to show you exactly how we can fix WhatsApp photos not showing in your Android phone gallery. So let's get started. All you need to do, guys, is launch the WhatsApp application on your Android phone. And here on your home screen, simply tap on these three dots in the top right corner and select settings from that drop-down menu. After that, here in your WhatsApp settings, scroll down until you get to chat, so tap on it. And what you want to do here, guys, is simply make sure that this feature here, media visibility, is turned on. So if it's not the case, simply switch it on here to the right. As you can see, it says show newly downloaded media in your device's gallery. So that is going to fix the issue at hand. Additionally, guys, you may return to the previous menu and tap on storage and data here and simply allow WhatsApp to auto download media, for example, images, photos, videos, or voice messages whenever you go online on your Android. Just select the method you connect to the internet, be it mobile data, Wi-Fi, or roaming below, and give WhatsApp the permission to auto download media when you're online with your Android. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.